Hello beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. How are we doing this morning? Let me believe we are doing fine and beautiful, and today is Friday. Wow, I just want to use this medium to say thank you to my older new subscribers. You guys have been so wonderful. Wow, I can't thank you guys enough. All right, so today I have just a tip I want to share with us. It's gonna be a very short video, very short. Okay, all right, so let's go straight to the video. I just want to tell you what we can do, like a routine. You can be doing like 3 or 4 times in a week, a scrub for acne, black spots and all that. You can see I don't really have them again. You can see my hands, everything is just fine by God's grace. Okay, so I just want to show you my secret, because the other of my channel people were like asking me how do I do it and how was I able to achieve this. Though I have been uploading some videos about routines that will make you glow. Okay, if you want to glow, just follow me. Let me just show you just two things. Okay, first thing I'll be needing is my tomatoes. You can see these tomatoes, and I cannot finish this right now, so I do this twice every week, okay. But if you have whole lot of it, I would advise you to do like 3 4 times in a week. You can be doing it best at night. Okay, it's cool, it's wonderful. And then after doing that, you can just apply. I do apply olive oil, or I gonna apply um petroleum jelly. Okay, but yeah, petroleum jelly mixed with um vitamin vitamin oil. That's all. So first thing I'll be needing is my tomatoes. You can see it. Just get me tomatoes. I'm not gonna go out, just here. Get me your tomatoes. And then another thing I'll be needing is this is my brown sugar. Yeah, brown sugar helps to exfoliate the skin. I use it almost every weekend to exfoliate and remove dead bodies. So even my hands can see. And then do this. So how do I do it? I'm gonna do it right here. I'm not gonna go elsewhere to do it. That's just it. I'm gonna cut it. Yeah, you can see I'm not wasting time here. So dear friends, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please try and subscribe to my channel. This is my brown sugar. This is how it looks like. This is the color. If you don't see brown sugar, please, you can use white sugar. It's very much okay too. So you can just do. So I'm gonna apply it. Sorry, before I apply it, you have to scrub your face with this at least for like 5 minutes. Okay, yeah, you have to do it. Mm. So my darling friends, it is now 5 minutes after scrubbing with. So I just want to take a little drop of this, and you can see what I'm doing. I just want to add little in here so I can scrub my face with it. I tell you, if you can do this 3 4 times every week, give yourself 1 month, you're not gonna have them. But if you want to achieve the results so fast, you can do it every day, like every day, for until you see your desired result. Okay, first and foremost, study the kind of skin. All right, so here we go. I'm going to, can see it, that was my brown sugar. You can see it. Or if you don't want to do it this way, you can extract the juice from those tomatoes and then mix it with your brown sugar and put it in your freezer. You can use it to rub it on your face. Okay, but if you want to scrub it, fine. This is the way I do my, and I tell you the result is wonderful. After doing scrubbing, you can see, after scrubbing it on your face, you're gonna use lukewarm water to remove, sorry, to clean up your face. Okay, here I'm doing. Yeah, you can see. Oh shit. Sorry, it's turning me. Okay, so darling friend, you can see me. I'm gonna do this. After doing this, I'm gonna use lukewarm water to remove the, to clean up my face, and then can apply anything you like I do apply petroleum jelly and E oil, or I'm gonna use rose water to, moisturize my face. And that's all I need to do. So if you can do this like twice in a week, fine. It's just scrub. So anyhow you want to do it, just be doing it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of the updates. I'll be coming up with one or two things. So watch out my next video, and then enjoy your weekend. Okay, yeah, remember, I love you guys. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.